We'll guide you through how to add contacts on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So adding contacts on your iPhone's really convenient because over time you're going to have lots of different numbers and you may forget who they are. So having them added to the contact is really useful. As well as that, in the contacts, you can go and add in their address, their email address, and anything else you should note. For example, maybe they work at a certain business, you can add that, etc. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. It's much easier than you probably think, but we'll still guide you through this step by step. So make sure it's this full guide. And also, when you then have them added, you can easily go and find them. You can simply go and drag down on your phone, and you can go and search for what you're looking for and get in contact with them. Whether that's a phone call, a FaceTime if they use an iPhone, a message, or an email, it doesn't matter. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and find the Contacts app on your iPhone. So what you can do is you can go and see it. By default, it's going to be on the second page. What you can always do is go and drag down like so and go and type in Contacts and open it up. Now, what you want to do is in here is you want to go to the bottom right. There you're going to go and find the plus button, which you can then go and tap. The new contact page will then go and open up. So to go and get started, you can go and type in their first name. So I could go and type in their name like this. Then you can go down and press last name and go and type that in. Here you could go and add company. So I could go and type in GuideRealm, for example. At the top, you can go and add a photo and take a photo of them, or you can choose like an emoji for them or go and choose a custom background. Then what we can do is go down and you can press add phone and you can go and type in their phone number. You can add in their mobile here as well. Add their email, add their pronouns. You can choose custom ringtone and text tone so you know who it is, and lots of other information you can go and add here as well. And then when you're finished, what you can do is press the tick in the top right. Then what I can do here is press this message button. I could call them. If I added an email, I could press the email button as well. But you can still go and make further edits pressing edit in the top right, or I could go down and press the contact photo and poster. If I swipe back, you're going to see they're now added in here.